Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome back to the Mark 1 TT build series.
Yeah, today we're actually going to make this thing sound better.
Finally!
So today we're fitting the induction kit.
Yes, we are going to get some turbo noises, but first of all, let's run through what we got. I was going to say, someone's excited. I'm freaking excited.
I can't wait. I've had this thing for months. months and months and months.
So very excited, but I'm going to cut you off straight away.
Yeah.
You guys would have seen from the last video, or if you haven't seen it, we fitted the turbo intake pipe. So the next big step of this, like that won't make much of a difference, but this we're excited for.
Well, that will make a difference to this car because the other one was all broke. Just go and watch a video, you'll see how bad it was.
It wasn't just spewing boost everywhere now.
Yes.
Right. So, what have we got, cuz?
This is an induction kit for a TT.
Oh, really?
Yes,
now,
right. Hence the video title.
Yeah, this is from Cloud9 Customs. So we have a heat shield with a nice 9.
I really like that.
Really cool,
I said before, you can just put a bit of metal. It's amazing how you cut a cool shape out of it, and that just makes a...
It's class, isn't it? So it comes with a big Pro-Ram filter.
Can I use anything for a reference? That thing's huge.
Like,
whoa, that thing's huge.
My phone. You know?
Jeez.
Yeah, it comes with a velocity stack, which obviously fits into there to reduce it. Silicone joiner for the MAF, because you've got to remove the MAF from the original box.
Oh.
So obviously, yeah, we got that there then. Bush bosh. I think it's actually where the MAF goes. But anyway, that's what we got. That's what we got.
We'll get into that in a minute. But yeah, everything you need, in theory, to fit an induction kit.
Yeah, so
again, you would have seen from the last video, we're running a turbo intake pipe. If you want to run that with a standard box, you need to trim it. We are not trimming it because we knew we were going to run with the induction kit. So, I hope you're still with me. To remove, if you're just here for the induction kit, it's very, very simple. It's, what was it, a few bolts, a few 10 mils, is it, to get the box off?
Yeah, literally two.
Oh.
2 10 mils, there's one there and there's one down here, which you're going to be using for the heat shield.
Yeah, if you go back to the other video, you'll see anyway.
Yeah,
so
really simple.
The main steps have been done. The main purpose of this video is to see how it sounds.
I just can't wait.
We are going to take it for the drive. And yeah, we're going to make some turbo noises.
Yeah.
We've both been driving winter beaters for a while. So I think we're both really excited.
I really can't wait. That's why I'm already messing with this.
I'm built it already.
I'm going to.
Right, so obviously the first steps, boxes out. My next question was going to be, so for those that don't know very much, you've got a mass airflow sensor which controls, well, keeps tabs on how much air is coming in.
Yep.
When I saw all of this, I thought, well, where's the MAF going to go? Not realising that it's actually...
There's 2 Phillips screws.
Separate component, yeah. So on your main airbox, standard airbox, sorry.
Yeah. 2 Phillips screws. Obviously, you remove these.
They're Phillips, you better give them back to him.
He's in the house, he's all right. That's
Uncle Phil.
Yep. We got those 2 out. This should now just a little. There we go.
And that is your mass airflow sensor.
Yeet. So obviously this has got to go on the correct way.
Yes,
for obviously
they are
reading
directional.
air. Yeah, correct. So that's the way it came off. So guess what?
That's where it's going on.
You're a genius.
So obviously, yeah, we need to put a Jubilee clip in there.
Oh, that was very satisfying.
It was. I'm going to remove this though because it's just there. I know it's a slight intake, but there's a big hole there anyway, which will take in there.
This, if you're running the standard turbo intake pipe, it is the exact same procedure. It's just this looks better. That's what you do. Just kick it at your nice.
Well, I was going to sell that. No, not.
Oh yeah, a little teaser for you guys. I did do a quick thing in the previous video, but there's another thing we got going on. I hope you guys know this is what we do for you. We could fit all of it. We could have fitted all this by now, but for
well, as we said in the first video, I could have bought one with everything on it.
Yep, Ford.
And I would have saved a fortune because this thing, when I bought it, was a
you guys. Yep, he's on his cleaning mission again. As soon as I turn the camera off, he's there with his cleaning.
Well, it's got to be shiny, haven't it? It'll be better under the bonnet than outside.
I know. We are in the middle of mock fitting now, and as always, it's not straightforward.
No, it's not. As we said earlier, trying to get this pipe into the standard induction, standard box, it's too long. A lot of people have said that, and I think it's for a reason. If you just want to put like a small cone on it, it's fine.
Yes.
That's not a small filter.
We don't do small. No.
So, yeah, what we're going to do is take off just under an inch. I've seen a lot of people do this, so it is normal.
We mentioned it straight away.
I did, yeah. So what we're going to do is just mark it here. I'm going to cut on the inside of the line.
So we have sort of roughly gauged how much it is we need there and how much we need for the filter. So again, this will be unique to every filter. So
yeah, now this will fit on, but it will crimp the turbo intake pipe. No, we don't want that. So
it's not worth it.
For the sake of just trimming that.
Yeah, like I said, measure your filter, measure the brackets and how they sit and things like that. It's not rocket science, but just take your time with it.
Just take your time, yeah. I'm going to go and get I got a brand new blade in there, so I'm going to use that.
Like that film. stuffed it for safety. But
Yep. Taking off about that much, so we're just going to do a bit at a time.
yeah,
Always have a new blade as well, because that was really easy.
yeah. So the moment of truth is, that was like a magic trick. Huh? At the moment,
It's a dub.
so we've trimmed enough. We think that is going to be very
looks like,
sufficient.
yeah.
So the next part is bolting the heat shield in, I imagine.
It is indeed. Now, obviously, it comes with these little kit. Obviously, it comes with the kit. It comes with this, which is a spacer. Now, I think this is going to be a little bit of a pain in the keister.
Keister. I'll try and film it for you guys.
I know.
Top tip, they don't tell you in the instructions. Don't do what Kenny did and drop the freaking spacer down to
It's
oblivion.
literally in space.
It's like you said, it's probably halfway to Egypt by now.
Yeah, it's gone.
So, in fairness, I am low-key impressed, because, not going to lie, thinking on
Yeah.
his feet,
Yep.
we have
This.
some random tube in that magical pot that we mentioned in the last video.
And I cut it so that it fits in there, and that will be the new spacer.
I hate to say it, but well done, cuz.
Thank you.
I'm impressed with that.
And get ready for me to lose this one too.
First of all, for those wondering, yes, Kenny's Genius Spacer did work, and that is the one at the bottom of the box. That's the one we're referring to. It goes just underneath there, so you can see how easy it is to drop it into the oblivion.
I nearly lost that one a couple of times, I'm not going to lie. Click.
Rad! This is exciting. It is all now lined up, tightened up, everything is in. Like we said, the fiddly bit is the spacer down there, the bolt, but everything, it even comes with these little caps, which I think is very, very nice little touch.
Time will tell how long they last.
Yeah. So now, it's the first start.
And it's very cold as well, so...
So we'll just bounce off a limiter then.
Yes, that's how you do it, eh? Whoa, it sounds much better!
Let's just say it's faster. Whoa. Well, it starts. That's the main thing.
Yeah. You got the measurement on?
Oh, that's a good point.
Not yet.
Yet. Obviously, this car's been sat for a while. It is freezing cold, so we're not going to go revving it yet. We'll get some heat in it, and then we're going to make some turbo noises. It does look awesome. Right, I think it's warmish. We'll give it a...
It is warm now,
Yeah.
yeah. Temperature's come up. So, yeah, let's try our first rev.
Let's just see if you can hear it.
Wow. What a difference. What a difference.
That's louder than I thought it was going to be. That's
See?
a lot more... That's a lot more prominent than I thought it was going to be.
I should say, when we obviously change the diverter valve as well.
Oh yeah, we got a...
Man, that's
insane.
class. Let's get it out, see what it sounds
Yeah,
like on the
that's
low,
not even
yeah?
in the low. Woohoo!
Just trying to spin.
Really?
Yeah. Turn it off.
It's quite subtle, actually. It's not as
No.
aggressive as I thought it was going to be, the noise. Oh! Okay, take it back. That sounds really good.
Obviously, a stock exhaust as well, so
Yeah,
you only
it's
get obviously all induction at the moment.
Yeah. So yeah, for those that don't know the car, this is completely... The spool sounds really good. I can't get my words out there. The spool sounds really good as well. For those that don't know, this is completely standard now, apart from the turbo intake pipe and the induction kit. We haven't even done the diverter valve yet.
Not yet, that's next.
Does that make it sound different then? Or
It should do. It
Yeah?
well, I'd imagine it's different because it's plastic at the moment. So obviously
okay.
it'll be more of a metallic noise.
Might do, yeah.
Hopefully, anyway.
I love the
It's going to start
interior on
at
this one.
just over 2,000 RPM.
A spool? So that's the first time I've been in here properly where you've booted it.
Yeah.
Like we say with every German car, it's just so, everything's so smooth and just very German and very like, right, okay, we're doing it. It's not like crazy, oh my God.
It's not like the Civic you'd be fighting with it. Bear in mind, this is front wheel drive at the moment because the Haldex ain't working.
Oh yeah, that's
So
why it's trying to spin.
Yeah, that's why I've turned the ESP off just
Yeah.
to try and help. Actually, yep, this off.
And a heated seats.
And the heated
Yeah.
seats are on, obviously.
I really like this interior. But yeah, it sounds good from here, but I'm really curious to see what it sounds like underneath the bonnet. That's the installation of the Cloud9 Customs induction kit and the first drive. So first of all, what do you think?
I'm really happy with it.
Yeah.
It sounds amazing.
It does. Better than I thought.
Yeah, same here. I wasn't expecting much from it, but
Yeah.
it's really intoxicating, and I just used so much fuel.
I was going to say, someone's miles per gallon's going to go right down.
Yes, it is, because them noises. But yeah, obviously, we have a stock diverter valve at the moment, so stay tuned. We will be putting a nice shiny one on.
Yep. That is literally going to be in the next video.
But yeah, I'm really happy with that. The installation was pretty straightforward. Obviously, try not to lose the spacer. Yes, that was me.
Otherwise, you'll have to get creative.
You will.
Yeah, I think that'll do it for this one. Like we said, the next video is the diverter valve. Now, I'm not convinced it's going to make that much of a difference in the noise. Kenny is, but there's only one way to find out. We are going to dive into it and get it sorted and go for another few test runs. So, yeah, I think we'll leave it there for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. That was good.